Ingredients: 1. 200 grams of spaghetti, 100 grams of pancetta or bacon, cut into small cubes. Step 3. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup grated pecorino cheese, optional. 1 garlic clove minced, optional. 7. Salt and black pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil or butter. Instructions: cook the pasta. In a large pot of salted boiling water, cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente, firm to the bite. 1. Save a cup of the cooking water. Cook the pancetta. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil or butter over medium heat. Add the pancetta and cook, stirring occasionally until it becomes golden and crispy. If using, add the minced garlic for extra flavor and cook for about 2 minutes. Then remove it. Desi. 3. Prepare the sauce. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and grated cheeses, Parmesan and pecorino, together until smooth. Then season with salt and pepper. 4. Mix the pasta. Once the pasta is done, remove it from the pot and drain it. Factor 4. Immediately add the pasta to the skillet with the pancetta and toss well to combine. Add the sauce. Pour the egg and cheese mixture over the pasta and mix quickly to create a creamy sauce. 5. If the sauce is too thick, add a little of the reserved pasta cooking water to achieve a smooth consistency. Serve. Serve the carbonara immediately, topped with extra grated cheese and freshly ground black pepper. Tip: 1. Do not add cream to the sauce. The traditional carbonara doesn't include cream, and the sauce becomes creamy naturally thanks to the eggs and cheese.